Okay. Good evening for all you here. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಓಪನ್ ಐಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಶ್ರೀಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ.
Okay, sir. Now, sir will be sharing what is the benefits of doing open eye meditation.
ಈ ಓಪನ್ ಐಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ
those who does every day this open eye meditation, they will get
ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೈಗ್ರೇನ್ ಹೆಡೇಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಹೆಡೇಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಹೈ ಬಿ.ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಲೋ ಬಿ.ಪಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, those who have got migraine headache, any chronic headache, low BP, high BP, and they can get benefit with this open eye meditation, and the nerve which is in optic nerve, which is in eyes, it will get opened, it seems.
ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಥನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇಗ ಕನ್ನಡಕವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾದ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, those who does practice from early age, they can get rid of their spectacles also. It will get strengthen your eyes optical nerves. You will get more visionary benefits as well.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಮರಿ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, those who does this meditation, they'll get concentration power, more concentration power, and then memory power also will increase.
ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ನವರಿಗೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 45, 50, 60+ ಇಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೆಮರಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಮರಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಸದಾ 20, 30, 35 years ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಮೆಮರಿ ಪವರ್ ಕೂಡ.
Yeah, this is very beneficial for the students and who are above 45, 50, those who are getting memory loss or Alzheimer's or all those type of problems. Who does this regularly, they'll optical nerves get increased, and their brain power also will increase, and their memory power also will increase. They'll come back to the life as if they are 25 or 30 years old.
Very good. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೂಗಿನ ನೇರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೂಗಿನ ನೇರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
Yeah, that picture which we are showing, it should be to our nose side. So that nose and your nose should incline. It should be in same line. Like that, you should keep
parallel to your nose.
Yeah.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ಪೂರ್ವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ನೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ
ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಾರ್ತ್ಗೆ, ಪೂರ್ವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಉತ್ತರ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
Okay, if you can do it, you just sit towards east or north. It will be more beneficial if you are facing your east or north while doing this meditation.
Especially students. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಉತ್ತರ ದಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡು.
Yeah, especially for the students, it will always advise to face your north side, I mean east side. The older people, they can sit to north side. So please change your position if you can. We'll start with the meditation. towards,
ಈಗ
yeah.
ಫಿಗರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah, if you have printout, you can keep that in line with your nose. If you don't have, no problem. We'll be sharing the photo in the mobile. Just keep your mobile this nose point that should face to that nose point of the figure. You just
We'll
please
share-
adjust it.
We'll share in the
ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ
screen.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನೆ.
Yeah, I will just share it.
ಈಗ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಬುದ್ಧರ ಮೂಗಿನ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕರಿಸಿ. ಹಾಗೆ
Sir,
ನೋಡ್
specs
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾಕೋಬೋದಾ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ?
ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Yeah,
ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
if you can open, I mean, remove your specs and do the meditation, it will be more beneficial. Just
ಲೈಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಿತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ
please
ಬುದ್ಧನ
all concentrate on the dot which is on Buddha's nose. Please concentrate on that. If you have light also, no problem. Just concentrate on that point.
ನೋಡಿ, ವೇರ್ ಟು ಲುಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೂಗಿನ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah, nose tip. On the nose tip, the dot is there, no? So you have to concentrate on that point.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ನಾ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸಾಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ.
Yeah, sir will count the numbers. Just follow it. You can start, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One deep inhale and deep exhale. Once again, just concentrate the nose, the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈಗ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಿಳಿ ಗೋಡೆಯನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Just stare at a blank white wall. Fast. Instantly you watch that. So we are able to see Gautam Buddha's face on that white wall.
ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ತನಕನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. Just observe and concentrate.
Just until you see the picture on the wall, concentrate on that picture on the wall, white wall.
ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬಂತ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
I hope everybody is seeing the picture on the wall.
Yes, once again, see the picture. By count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One deep inhale and deep exhale. Again, see the picture. Same point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See the opposite wall.
Please watch on the blank wall, which we did it the last.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಈಗ ಇನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
It is compared to first time. Now it will be more clearer picture on the wall. So friends, just type in the chat if you can see clearer picture.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಚಿತ್ರ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಅವರು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Yeah.
ವೇದವತಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ inhale and exhale, deep inhale and exhale, again 30 count ಮಾಡಿ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೋಡೆಯನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 5 ಬಾರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಈಗ ನಾವು 2 ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿ 5 ಸೈಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Okay, the same way when you sit, when you want to do the open eye meditation, for every session you have to do 5 repetitions. Each repetition 30 counts, and then one deep inhale and one deep exhale, and then you have to watch the blank white wall, preferably white wall, so that you can see the image clearer. 5 times you have to do the repetition.
ಇದನ್ನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮಲಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಕೂರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಗೈಡೆಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಬಹುದು ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ.
Yeah, you can do this meditation in the morning, evening, and in the night also. Before doing the meditation, those who are not able to concentrate, do the concentrated meditation, it will be very beneficial. First to do this repetition for 5 repetitions, 5 cycles, and then you can go with the meditation. Those who are not able to concentrate, if they are able to concentrate only in the guided meditation, and if they can't do it in normal music meditation, it will be very beneficial for them to have effective meditative experiences.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಕೆಂಪಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಂಗಣ್ಣಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಸದಾ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು 5 times ಮಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕುಂತಿದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇರೋರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಸಂಜೆ 3 time ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yeah, those who have eye problems, who have redness in eyes, who wants to study more like students, who want, whose eyes gets disturbed or strained, that time those people can do this meditation morning, afternoon, and night. No problem, you can do it, and for 10 minutes you can close your eyes and do the meditation. It will give strength to your optical nerve, to your brain, and you will get refreshed.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 5 minutes ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನು 5 minutes ಗೋಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಸಂಜೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ತಲೆನೋವು ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, it will just take 10 minutes for staring the picture and then staring the wall. So you can always do this morning, afternoon, whenever you feel like doing, whenever you have headache or eye strain, any problem, you can do this, and you can get benefit of the meditation.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಆಕಾಶ ತತ್ವವನ್ನ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಸಂಜೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 2 time ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ 21 days ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 21 days ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಚಿದಾಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ.
Yeah, this technique is called Akasha Tattva meditation. So we have to practice for 21 days, and then the next technique is Chidakasha Tattva. So friends, masters, you can continue this meditation for 21 days, get the benefit of it, and then we'll learn the Chidakasha Tattva after 21 days.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಚಿದಾಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ, ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮಹಾಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah, we have 3 types of meditation: Akasha Tattva, Chidakasha Tattva, and then Mahakasha Tattva. Today what we have done is Akasha Tattva meditation.
ಹೀಗೆ 21 days ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 63 days, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 63 days ಅವರು ನಂಬೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah, when we do this meditation for 21 days, 21 days, 21 days, whole after 63 days, with the benefits or with the results, we'll get amazed with the benefits or results.
Okay, madam, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for giving us time and your wisdom to us. It was so wonderful to have you here. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಗೋಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ?
Sir, it was first time I concentrated more and I saw that picture clearly. Second time I could not do it because I was concentrating on your words, so I could not do it. Then definitely I will make my children also do this, and I will share the experience with you, sir.
Exactly. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ.
Yeah. Any masters wants to share your experience of this meditation?
Yeah.
You can raise
Vedavati
your
Garu is ready. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nagaraj, sir. So, actually, can we close our eyes and see the picture?
That is second technique after 21
Okay.
days. After
Okay.
21 days.
Okay. When I see on the wall, I see the picture is going upward direction. Is that normal?
ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಅದು ಹೀಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
So
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Then only, okay, it will be fixed on particular place, or else it will be going upward. Okay. That means we need to practice more.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah. Vedavati Garu, unmute yourself.
Should I talk in Kannada to sir or?
ಹಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ.
ಸರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಆ ಬುದ್ಧ ಮೂಗು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಕ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು. ಫೋಟೋದಲ್ಲೇ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇಕ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 30 ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು 15 ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ. ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಬಲಗಡೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ
ಹಂಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ
ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಅಲ್ಗಾಡಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೆಪ್ಪೆ ಅಲ್ಗಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓ ಸರಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓ ಸರಿ.
I will say it in English, sir, so that others also will know about it. So when you are seeing on the wall, that image should be still. So it depends like how much concentratedly you have seen that picture, or how much concentratedly your mind is working at that time. So if the picture is moving up and down, you should not see the picture going up and down. You should be staring at one point only. That picture should remain on that wall at the same place. That is the point sir is saying. With the practice, more and more practice, you will achieve that. No problem. Please keep doing it. Yeah, any other masters? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand.
Deepika, our experience.
Sir, yeah, I felt very good. You're asking about my experience, sir? Yeah, I felt very good. That was really wonderful. Thank you so much. And I would like all of you to give a big round of applause to sir for he coming and for his time and his teaching us. So thankful to you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. What I did is like when I stared at the picture when you're telling for 30 seconds, and when I was looking on the wall, the picture was going up and I'm following that. So you told like you have to sit like and stare at that fixed place. So yeah, from next time I'll do. Then second time, I felt little constant. The picture was constant on the wall, but I felt little dull than the before.
Correct.
But you told like it should appear more brighter than the first one, second time. But what happened is first time I felt brighter and second time I felt little shade, like dull. But the picture was stable little at the end.
ಕೆಲವರು ಬುದ್ಧನ ಆಜ್ಞಾ ಚಕ್ರದ ಭಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಜ್ಞಾ ಚಕ್ರದ ಭಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮೂಗಿನ ತುದಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
Yeah, some people were saying they were, I think they were staring at Agna Chakra, but we should not stare at Agna Chakra. We should stare at nose point.
Yeah, see, like we concentrate on our breath while doing meditation at the tip of the nose. It's the same, like tip over here, the point. We have to focus.
Very.
And the sitting posture, can we sit like, do we have to clasp our hands or just sitting normal, cross your feet? Should we do all those things or just sitting normally, sir?
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ.
Okay. Any mudra like this?
Any mudra. Yes, any mudra.
Jnana mudra. Or Shunya mudra. Which one will work more? Mudra works more, sir.
Chin mudra will do, I think. Chin mudra.
I think concentration also this is better, right? Jnana mudra.
Yes.
Yeah, Bhuvana ma'am has got some doubt.
Yeah, unmute yourself.
Yes, hello. Sir, namaskaram. It was really wonderful. I could see first the Buddha's face. After some time, that particular place has become totally black. Second time. And third time, again I tried. Okay, my question is, here we have seen Buddha picture. When we are practicing for 21 days, next day, where will we see any other point, which any other picture can we see?
You can take the printout of this picture and paste it on cardboard or hang it on the place and you can do it, ma'am. Practice that.
Any other picture she's asking?
No, we'll practice this. Sir will tell, I think. We'll practice this picture only. Don't think beyond that. Just follow what sir is telling. Don't go beyond. Okay?
No.
Same picture. Not another picture. Same picture nalline 63 days ನಾವು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Every day we have to practice with the same picture every day for 63 days. So try to take this printout of this picture and practice it, ma'am.
Yeah, unmute. I think you have muted. Boonaji.
No. See, here we have joined the session. Other days, other time, we are not going to join the session, right? So we have to do ourselves.
The picture is on your phone every time. The picture you have every time on your phone, right? Just follow that same picture. That's what sir is telling for 63 days.
Oh, it will be there. You will be sharing the picture. You will be sharing it?
Yeah, we already shared in the group. And I also paste here in the chat the message. So you can copy that and keep it on your mobile. And whenever, and sir said few guidelines how to practice and all, you can follow that. And if you miss something, no, you watch this video again tomorrow, it will be posted so that your doubts get clarified. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah, the same picture you have to follow. That's what sir is telling. Keep it in your mobile and keep it, take a printout and keep it on your place where it's accessible to you so that you can follow and see the picture and follow that. Okay? I think she's good. Okay.
Yeah, any other masters?
ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, sir. Enadru, if you have. Okay. Palani Appane sir has got some doubt, I think.
ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ರಜನಿಯಪ್ಪನ್.
సార్
Yes.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, నమస్కారం నమస్కారం.
నమస్కారం. చెప్పండి.
వన్ స్మాల్ డౌట్, దిస్ ఆకాశ, చిత్రకాశ, మగాకాశ మీనింగ్, సింపుల్ మీనింగ్ సార్.
That is Sanskrit words. There is no any meaning. Akasha Tattva, Chirakasha Tattva and Mahakasha Tattva. ಆಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ನಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಗೋಡೆ ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಎನಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡುವಂತ ಆಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ. ಚಿರಾಕಾಶ ತತ್ವ ಅದನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ 21 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು 6 days ಇದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಳಿ ಶ್ರೀಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವರು.
Yeah, sir. After 6 days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತನಾ? Okay. This following 6 days we'll follow it. Next Saturday we'll do the Chidakasha Tattva. Today what we have done is Akasha Tattva. So these things doesn't, if you translate it into any other languages as it is a Sanskrit word, we may get misled by the translations. We have researched and we could not get the correct word, so we'll follow. Akasha Tattva is a space element, Akasha. It's all understood. So we'll do it for 6 days. The next Saturday we'll do the Chidakasha Tattva, so that you will get the difference of what is Akasha Tattva, Chidakasha Tattva.
Okay, thanks madam.
Yeah.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Next week we'll meet next week for Chidakasha
Okay,
Tattva.
madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, masters, if you want to share any experiences of these classes from this weeks, or from beginning we could not get the interaction time, right? So you can share your experiences.
And Shanvi ji was asking, is it okay if we get tears while staring at the picture?
ಕಣ್ಣೀರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ ಸರ್, ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಅಂತ.
ಬರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದು
It
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
is-
ದಿವಸ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರ್ಲಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗೋದು.
It is okay, no problem. It is till you get the experience, even if you get tears, no problem. You can continue with the practice. You will get benefited, more benefited with it. No problem.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದವರು ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಅವ್ರೀಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋದು ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು 4 ಜನ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ, 21 days ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದರಿಂದ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 2 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ 21 days ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 63 days ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ BP ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್, ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 30 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ತಲೆನೋವಿಂದ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಳಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ನಾನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವು ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ತಲೆನೋವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನನಗೀಗ ನೆನಪು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಓನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ನಂದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
Yeah, sir has got before 30 years he used to have a very severe headache, so that he joined in Nimans Hospital, famous neurology hospital in Bangalore. There also he could not get rid of a headache. He learned by paying, and he learned these techniques, and now he doesn't get any headaches of that type. So to mankind, to all our masters, he wants to share this knowledge, and his wish is like no one should get headache or eye problems or anything like that. So that's why he is sharing the knowledge with all of us. And one more, also he shared like one person from Mangalore who is staying in Australia. He also has learned this technique, and he shared with some people, and 4 of them have called sir, and they said like they after 63 days their BP got reduced, it seems. So it's wonderful, right? So we should all practice this meditation and get benefit by this meditation. Sorry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir. See you in the next week, sir. Thank you for the next
Okay.
technique.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Dr. Amit Kumar, sir, you can share your experience, sir. We are seeing you every day attending the class. You can share your experience, sir.
Yeah, unmute yourself. I see 2 names, Dr. Amit KR and Amit Kumar.
Amit Kumar DEB.
Yeah, I see 2 names there. One with Amit KR DEB and one Amit Kumar DEB. So yeah, I'll give you options for 2, whichever you're accessible, you can unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, any other masters in the meanwhile, if you want to share, or if you have any questions, sir is here, you can ask. So you don't have to get confused yourself. You can ask and you can make clear yourself and do it properly so that it will be very effective. Yeah, Amit Kumar, yes. Amit Kumar ji, unmute yourself. And Ramachandran sir also is so like on time every day. Yeah, Ramesh Chandra ji, you want to talk? Okay, unmute yourself. Sorry, we couldn't see. You have a raise button at the top in the right in the react button, so that no, we can catch you that time. We'll not miss you. Yeah, Ramesh ji, you can talk.
आत्मबंधन सर, सबको आत्मबंधन सर. Actually you are speaking in Kannada and it is a little bit difficult, but whatever madam explained I have understood. Thank you for that. But I have a small doubt why it is advised to drink water before and after meditation.
ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah.
ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಜೀವಜಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀರನ್ನ ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I think you understood, sir. Or
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
yeah, we'll get the warmth when you are doing
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
Your body gets lots of energy and your body gets warm, right? So
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
why it's always advisable to drink a glass of water and keep a glass
Okay.
of water. That always we are getting energy from the universe. That same energy will pass it to the water as well. So after that, if you drink that water, it will be more beneficial for us.
Sometimes we are unable to back, ma'am. What is the reason behind it? Actually, while doing meditation, we are going to a certain stage. After that, as if we are in a deep sleep state, or we are staying for some time like that only. How to come back?
That is always good, sir. You are improving in your meditation. Coming back means that you should ask your universe that I have to come back or something like that. If you are doing it in night time, if you have much time, it's okay. How much ever time, if you want to meditate, you can always meditate. You should not think that I'm wasting my time in meditation. I'm not getting enough sleep or something like that. If you do deeper meditation, you will reduce your sleep time as well. So it says like if you do half an hour deep meditation, that is equals to 6 hours of sleep. So if you
Okay, ma'am.
do deeper and deeper meditation in the night, it is always good. You can go ahead. You can do that. No problem.
So sometimes I'm feeling that as if I'm going to sleep, but I'm not in a sleeping mood. But
Yeah, that is yoga nidra, sir. That's no
yeah,
problem.
yeah.
That's yoga
Yes.
nidra. You're going to do yoga
Oh,
nidra.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ನಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯೋಗ ನಿದ್ರಾ.
yoga
ನಿದ್ರೆ
nidra.
ನಿದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay.
ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ನಾವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ.
Okay, sir.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಚನೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಚ್ಚರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ.
So understood, sir. Like if you are in
ನನ್ನ
sleep,
ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yeah, I'll
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲ
explain
ಕನ್ನಡ
you.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Thank you.
Like you got the difference between sleep and the yoga nidra, right, sir? If you
Yes,
are in
ma'am.
yoga nidra, when we say come to body consciousness, you will come back. If you are in deep
Okay.
sleep, you are not able to see our instructions, and you will be in deep sleep and you will sleep.
Okay, okay.
That is also not problem. You just practicing meditation every day, how much ever time you want, you can. Advisable to have 3 hours of meditation every day.
3 hours.
Yeah, morning 3:30 to 5 o'clock, evening. In the class, we'll be starting from 9:30 to 10, 10:30, 11. You can do it. You'll get more and more benefits.
Okay, madam. It is a very good platform. I don't know how I have come attached to it, but I've learned so many things from you. I'm very much thankful for your effort, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Like we have so many people in the group, but only 20 to 30 people are joining. So that is
Oh.
like we are destined to learn the meditation. Only cosmic universe, like universe has chose only some people.
Right,
So,
ma'am. Right.
So always practice meditation. It is always to have 41 days of meditation, like Mandala Diksha we do, no? That becomes habit for you. So keep on attending for 41 days and do meditation continuously for whole of your life. You'll see the miracles.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Chitra ma'am, you want to share anything? Please raise your hands, masters. it is always good to share your experiences as well. So it's like Sajjana Sangatya, it is also part of Sajjana Sangatya. We have learned about what is meditation, Sajjana Sangatya, and Swadhyaya. So I hope you are all doing Swadhyaya as well. We have shared some books in the group. You can read those books. Yeah. Chitra ma'am, unmute yourself, ma'am.
ರಾಜಶೇಖರ್.
Unmute, sir. Rashikar.
ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Deepika ma'am.
Okay, I'm unmute. You're not unable to unmute, Sri Pallavi, ma'am?
Yeah, there. I
Okay.
don't have the option in phone. I'm not able to do it.
Okay.
ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್, ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ಆರಾಮ? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯೋಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದು 30 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಗ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 30 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೋಡೆ ಹತ್ರ ನೋಡೋದು, ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಣ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಐಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತೆರೆದ ನೇತ್ರ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದೊಂದು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಏನು ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಲೆನೋವಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯ ಕೊರತೆ ಇರುವಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಮರೆಗುಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತುಂಬಾ ಮರೆವು ಅಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಅಮೃತಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದಂತದ್ದು. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಜಿ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನ ಪವಾಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಮಲಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಬಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನಂತರ ಮಲಗಿ.
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you for Pallavi madam and Deepika madam for countless effort for everything for madam. Thank you madam.
Yeah, Chitra ma'am, you can unmute ma'am.
Good evening, all masters. Actually, I joined a little late, so I missed it. So I have a suggestion, like, because it is so very important and it is going to help many people to get, cured of many ailments. Why don't we have it every day from sir for about at least 1 week?
We have the video now, ma'am. We can do it. We'll watch the video and we'll do it, ma'am. We can practice every day. We'll post it in the group. So you can watch the video. You will get the idea, and you can take the picture print out and you can keep it in your home. By 2 days, you can do practicing doing mobile or your laptop or something like that, YouTube, and then you can practice on your own for 6 days.
And then if you get any doubts, then
yeah, next you write down, ma'am. You can message me. I'll ask with the sir. Most of the doubts are clarified. It's just you have to stare the picture, no step, for 30 seconds, 30 counts, and then deep inhale and then deep exhale, and then watch the wall.
For how long? Like any time limit?
Yeah, watch like 2-3 minutes. You can watch until that picture. When you see on the wall, you will see the clear picture of that image what you have stared. So until that disappears, you can see on that, and then again you come back and see the picture. 5 times you can do it. You do it after the class, ma'am, or maybe tomorrow you see I will share you the picture in the group. You see that and practice it today before going to sleep, as sir said. If you have any doubts, Monday class you can ask us or you can message me.
Okay, sure. And one more thing I wanted to ask you, like there is some consultation for any diseases or something like that in Mahavatar Baba office
Mahavatar
or something?
Foundation.
So how is it to be done? I have a pain in my leg. I wanted to get, even my MRI is okay, my X-ray is okay, but this is not going. So I wanted to
every
consult
Saturday they'll conduct holistic health fest. Like you can go there and you will get free consultation over there.
Actually, you have to go there.
Yeah, it's
not
not
over the
online. They'll
phone.
be starting soon, it seems, but it's as of now it's offline.
Okay.
And for any concerns, you can either call to the office and you can call them and let them know about your concern, so that if they have any feasibility or facility, they'll contact you. They'll make you contact to the
ಕಾಲು ನೋವು ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yeah, you can ask Nagraj sir as well. He is a yoga expert and he has got.
Yeah, sir knows everything.
Can I ask now?
Yeah, you can ask now. It will be beneficial for others also as well.
ಅವ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Okay. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Actually, Kannada nahi aata. Shall I speak in English? English, okay?
English, you can speak. Yeah.
English or Hindi?
English.
Okay. So I'm in Pune now. So I have some problem in my ankle. Ankle like ankle. Right leg ankle. So this swelling is coming since 4 months, 4 or 5 months. But I do all my housework, everything I do by myself. I don't keep a servant also. So I was very active also. But then this pain is too much and I'm not able to walk even properly. So I went to a specialist, foot specialist. So in Pune, so orthopedic only. So they asked me to go for some physiotherapy, some 12 sessions. So then they said, if you don't get okay with that, then after they asked me to wear some special, some special chappal, like for protecting my arch. Arch bolte hain na, like in the foot, that it is like this, no? So they say it is my flat foot. It has become flat foot, so you have to raise it. So to keep the curve, something was to be kept there inside the shoe, or you wear a special chappal for that. So I did that also. Even after that, it is not reducing and it's very painful. So then I went to another doctor in Bombay whom I had consulted some time back. So he told me, like, after 45 days, you take one MRI and X-ray also, and then we'll see. But MRI and X-ray I took, there is no problem. There is no problem, but this pain is not going. Then I asked some like to see is some negativity is there which is giving me the problem. So they said that there is some energy block. They say there is some energy block. So blood flow is not proper. Some energy block is there. Otherwise, it is not a serious thing. But the problem is I'm getting this pain always. So it's very difficult, like even to sit for a prayer and on the ground, I'm feeling little difficulty. Otherwise, I was very good. I had no problem. So can you help me, sir, in this?
Sir, our problem.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ಆ ಫುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಜ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ವಿಧಾನದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು
Okay.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಲತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಜ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಆಂಕಲ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗಂತ.
Okay.
You understood, ma'am? He will
Okay.
show you the
I
some
think
few
so.
exercises.
Some exercises I can do it and it'll improve.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know Kannada, but I'm understanding. I don't know.
Yeah, we are all
Thank you so much.
soulmates, soul friend. I mean, we are in same this thing, right? So we can understand. Language
Yeah,
is
yeah.
just barrier.
Exactly. Thank you so much, sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಹೀಗೆ inhale and exhale,
Okay.
inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale on 10 times. And another one, just like this, right, left, right and left on 10 times. ಆಮೇಲೆ rotation
Okay.
like this, clockwise and another 10 anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Same both legs.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ
Okay.
ಈ ಮೂರು ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾ
ಇವರು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಕಾಲಿನ ನೋವಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
I can't see.
ಪಲ್ಲವಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
Yeah, you could see, ma'am, that rotation and side.
Those three I saw. Actually, the same thing my doctor also said. Yeah.
Another three types ಇದೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Second one, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Third one, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Fourth one, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಅಗಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like this. 4 types. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 20 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳಿ ಪಲ್ಲವಿ.
Yeah, within 20 days, if you practice daily, that you'll see the improvement, it seems, ma'am. I think you saw,
okay.
and if you can't remember, tomorrow we'll have the video. You see the video and you can note down and you can practice it.
Okay. And the last 4 also 10 times, no? Everything 10 times. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, madam.
If you have any concerns,
I'll do it.
you can call to we have shared the flyer, no ma'am, regarding that thing. So down there will be numbers. You can contact those people and you will get the advice from them. What they can do, you can contact with them and you can consult with them.
Sure. Thank you so much.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯೋಗ ನಡಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಯೋಗ ವಾಕ್ ಅಂತ.
Okay.
ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಖಂಡಿತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
Yoga walk. If you do yoga walk, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಈಗ ನಾನು ನಿಂತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಒಂದು 10 ರೌಂಡ್, ಒಂದು 20 feet ಟೋಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 20 ಫೀಟ್ ಆ ಇಮ್ಮಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಫೂಟ್ ನ ಔಟರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 20 ಫೀಟ್ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಕಾಲಗಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಂಡಿಗಳನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ನಾನು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯೋಗ ನಡಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರಿ.
Okay, sir. You understood, no, ma'am? Walk, yoga walk,
Ah.
like on toes, you have to walk for 20 steps. On heels, you have to walk for 20 steps. Like sir
Okay.
has shown, no, for in the
Yeah,
last.
yeah.
So
And
same
on the
thing.
sides.
Yeah, sides, you bend your legs like this and you walk, and you like this, you keep and you walk. The same thing, sir will do one video and share it to me. It seems I'll just
Yeah,
share it with
but
you.
the problem is, you know, on the left leg, the big toe is there. No, there I had an operation, bunion operation. So I cannot stand on toes on left leg.
Okay.
So I will adjust and do, like maybe, you know, toes. I will take little more space of the leg and walk. Right is okay, but left I cannot walk.
You
On
try,
toes.
ma'am. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. I'll just share with sir,
Yeah,
or I
sure.
can give sir's number. You can contact with him.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
And Chitra Garu, thank you for your seva. You're also doing good seva in our team. And yeah, thank you so
Deepika
much.
ma'am, actually, na, I would like to do something because I was busy with my this foot problem. No, I'm not getting time.
Okay.
Otherwise, I
Okay.
would like to read some book and I will take a session.
Sure.
I'll
Yeah,
definitely do it.
whenever you're ready and whenever you get time,
I'll
surely
let you know.
you'll get an
Yeah, I'll let you know.
opportunity. Sure.
I'll definitely.
Yeah,
I'll do.
yeah.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thanks.